Ladies and gentlemen, cameraman here, folks. We got the one and only Stuntman behind the wheel of a VTEC Honda. Who's that maniac? Honda RT 100? I don't even know how he says it anymore.
Shut up and get the booster out from under the hood!
All right, folks. Shut up.
He's got the VTEC. What's it got?
Like only the great Stuntman can do, folks. Very impressive. I think it's gonna be short and sweet. I think he might have heard it, folks. All right, ladies and gentlemen, excellent job from the Stuntman, folks. Nothing like a smoke fest, folks. Like, comment, subscribe.